The Z Fold 7 will be the greatest folding phone on the market. The change we need comes from somewhere. Z Fold 7 Samsung has kept with the same design for the previous several generations, providing us with the same cover display and inner display. But suddenly things have changed. I'll provide the display dimensions later. Samsung made a significant change with the inner display bezels. According to Ice Universe on Twitter, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7's inner screen bezel is narrow. The illustration shows a Z Fold 6, and the width of the bezel highlighted by the arrow is 1.9 millimeters. The Fold 7 is directly dry to 1 millimeter, and the outside screen bezel of the Z Flip 7 is likewise incredibly narrow, measuring just 1.2 millimeters. Samsung's ultimate change for the inner display. It is about half the size of the bezel seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is already smaller in size. When combined with the under-display selfie camera, the Z Fold 7 inner display would be the most aesthetically pleasing display on the foldable market. A bezel thickness of 1 millimeter is quite modest when compared to the symmetrical design and flatter dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It has not been verified as of yet, but it comes from a credible source, so we may believe it for the time being. However, if you want a cheap but comprehensive phone, amazing discounts are available as previously described in this video. The second major upgrade, which comes from Universe, is the phone's thickness. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 first look was previously out, but we didn't know what the difference was between the Z Fold 7 and the Z Fold 6. One change we wanted was a larger cover display, and the new case for the Fold 7 verifies that. This is the difference between the Fold 7 and the Z Fold 6. The Fold 7 is broader than the Z Fold 6 and closer to a standard phone. The Z Fold 7 certainly resembles the Galaxy Fold 4 Special Edition. Also, whether you see it or not, the flashlight placement has changed on Z Fold 7 compared to Fold 6. However, Samsung has retained the same boxier design on the Z Fold 7, which I like on the Z Fold 6. Wait, it's not just broader. Z Fold 7 is really bigger than Z Fold 6. This seems to be a larger version of the Z Fold 6. One of the retailers began selling the case on AliExpress. This case may be for the Z Fold 4 Special Edition, you might say. It's not. The flashlight position on Z Fold 7 differs from the Z Fold Special Edition. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.